Dear students, myself, Mr. P.P.Sutar, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Gopal Krishna Gokule College, Kolhapur. Now students, in this class of B.Sc. Part 2, as per Shivaji University CBCS pattern, for semester 3rd, you are going to learn two papers, namely paper number 5, that is a D.Sc. 3 of physical chemistry, and paper number 6, that is a D.Sc. 4 of industrial chemistry. In this paper, you are going to have the knowledge of some industry. Now, I am going to teach you the paper industry. Of course, it is a Indian paper industry. The syllabus includes manufacturing of pulp, then types of pulp, the processes for the preparation of pulp like a sulfate and soda, then manufacturing of paper, then calendaring of paper, ecological problem of Indian paper industry, and features of good paper industry. Now, Indian paper industry, I will give the brief introduction about Indian paper industry. Indian paper industry has created sustainable livelihood in rural areas and has helped generating the employment for local population, especially for women, to earn their livelihood. Now there are about 515 manufacturing units of processing and production of paper, newsprints and paper boards in India, which have the annual capacity of 8.3 million tons, now increased to 16 million tons by the year 2014. Now in our India there are few states owned and private paper industry. The majors are Indian Newsprint Limited, Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited, Ballarpur Industry Limited, Sheshasai Paper and Board Limited, and ITC Paper. These are some industry in India. Now, about the history of Indian paper industry. India's first machine-made paper was manufactured in the year 1812. During this time, there were only 15 mills with a total production of lakh tons. In India, the softwood is the major raw material used for making paper, especially newsprint and high-class printing papers. Now with the rise in population and broadening of education, the demand for paper has been constantly increased. However, in our India, the narrow forest resources, the wood pulp is in the shortage. As softwoods which are required for the paper industry grow in the temperate climates, India is in the short supply of such woods. Thus, in such circumstances, the bamboo became the major raw material for the manufacture of paper in our country, as bamboo grows very quickly even after cutting. Okay. Now our paper industry is mainly based on plantation, and it is essential that more land must be brought under plantation. Of course, of eucalyptus and other trees for the making of papers. The paper industry also requires huge amount of soft water, and paper utilized for newspaper is called newsprint. Now in India, the paper mills use a variety of raw material like wood, bamboo, recycled fiber, bagasse, wheat straw, rice husk, etc. Now in terms of share in total production of paper, approximately 25% are based on wood, 58% on recycled fiber, and 17% on agro residues. Now, Indian paper industry is a vast industry comprising more than 115 paper producing divisions all over the India. These units manufacture handmade paper worth around rupees 21 crores and provide employment to approximately 10,000 people. The village Sangner is the biggest center in western India, humming on the rhythm of the sound of paper making activities. The Indian paper industry has emerged as a diversified and specialized industry that produces numerous types of papers that comes in various use such as watermark, filter paper, drawing sheets, etc. Indian paper and newsprint industry has huge potential and prospects in coming future. In our country, demand for paper and newspaper is rapidly increasing. There are vast demands in the areas of tea bags, filter paper, tissue papers, medical grade coated paper, lightweight online coated paper, etc. The other products including paper bags, paper diaries, paper photo frames, greeting cards, handmade paper boxes, paper albums, etc. are manufactured and exported across the world. Today, the Indian exporters export nearly rupees 400 crores worth of paper products per annum to the developed nations. The Indian paper industry accounts for about 3.7% of the world population of paper. The estimated turnover of the industry is INR 60,000 crores, that is 8.5 billions US dollars approximately, and its contribution to the exchequer is around INR 4,400 crores. The industry provides employment. Of course, the industry provides employment. With these points, I conclude my today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will see how the industry provides employment. Thank you.